In this video, we're going to walk through how to automate client billing in Vendasta, a powerful tool for agencies and businesses to streamline operations. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to save time and eliminate manual billing headaches. But before we dive in, if you want to try out Vendasta for free, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive offer with extra bonuses. You won't want to miss that. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your Vendasta dashboard. If you haven't set up your account yet, it's simple, and you can do it with the link below. Once you're logged in, head over to the Billing section in the Settings menu. This is where all your client payment info and invoices are managed. Next, you'll need to set up your payment methods. Vendasta allows you to connect with multiple payment gateways like Stripe, so you can easily charge your clients. This is where you'll input your business's preferred payment processor. Once this is done, you're ready to set up the recurring billing process. The third thing you need to do is set up your billing cycles. Vendasta lets you choose how often you want to bill your clients, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. For each service or product you're offering, you can set these intervals. This ensures your clients are always billed on time without you having to lift a finger. Next, let's talk about how to automate client invoicing. After setting up the billing cycle, Vendasta will generate invoices automatically based on the services provided. You don't have to worry about sending these out manually anymore. The system can even send reminder emails if a payment is overdue, so you're fully covered on the collection side. Now, here's a great feature, client-specific billing. This is where you can tailor different billing rates for each client. Maybe one of your clients gets a discount or has a custom rate. Vendasta allows you to set that up easily, and each client will be billed accordingly. The fifth thing you'll want to do is track payments and keep everything organized. Vendasta's dashboard lets you see which payments are pending, which are overdue, and which have been completed. This gives you a clear picture of your cash flow at all times, and you won't have to dig through spreadsheets to find the information. Finally, once everything is automated, you can focus more on growing your business and servicing your clients instead of being bogged down with manual billing tasks. Remember, you can try out Vendasta for free with our exclusive offer by clicking the link below. You'll get access to everything we've covered in this video, plus additional bonuses that will help you get the most out of your experience. If you want more tips like this on automating your business processes, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to check out the link for that extended free trial.